We're here at Tydavnet Community Centre. We opened our doors in 1987. We have a great, vibrant little community here, and they make very good use of their centre. At one stage then there was a funding opportunity come up. Pubble were offering some funding, so we looked at it with various options and we said, well, solar energy would be a very good thing for us. It would reduce our running costs and would be good for the environment. So we went through the whole tender process, and GoSolar came in very competitive on it. GoSolar has been very good for us. They arrived on time, they'd done a good installation. If we had any questions, they were there to answer them, and we were very pleased with the standard of work. You know, their energy costs are very, very radically changed as a result of this installation. Conservative estimate, we're down to about 50%, 40 to 50% of what it was costing us before this. There's a feel-good factor about that you're doing something, we have the free access to the sun and it's not causing us any problems.